Hello, my name is Jade Espinar, a student of the University of the Philippines Open University, taking up Master of Information Systems. I will be presenting my proposed management information system for the company I've chosen, which is UP Provident Fund. This presentation includes the overview of the organization, review of existing systems, project identification, conceptual design, system prototype, implementation plan, and finally, the future plan for this project. The University of the Philippines Provident Fund, or UPPF, was established as a voluntary retirement savings program to provide employees of the University of the Philippines with supplementary benefits upon retirement or separation, along with additional financial services such as loan facilities and life insurance coverage. UPPF was created by the UP Board of Regents in 1994 and formally registered as a non-stock, non-profit corporation with the Securities and Exchange Commission in 1997. As of 2023, over 10,000 employees from various UP campuses are active members. From an initial capital of 35 million pesos provided by the UP administration 25 years ago, the fund's assets have grown to 3.3 billion pesos. This would mean that the company manages large number of transactions and handles huge amount of data. As shown in the IT and infrastructure, the company has established its IT systems over time, successfully identifying and implementing necessary solutions in the past. UPPF currently leverages cloud storage for most of its files and backups. Documents such as receipts, vouchers, loan applications, membership forms, benefit claims, and others are available in digital or scanned copies, uploaded to either Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive. The company has its own website, which contains information about its loan products and benefits to the member. It also has an intranet for the exclusive use of its employees. And finally, the company has its own portal, which features various functions. After thoroughly examining the company's IT assets, our primary focus should be on the portal, as it serves both employees and its 10,000 active members. But which functionality or module should be prioritized? Well, if we base our decision on the manual processes that will be eliminated and the potential impact of each module once developed, it is clear that the integrated accounting system should take priority. This module will streamline numerous business processes such as internal auditing, financial statement submission, and review. So it has a high urgency and a high potential impact. Based on the SWOT analysis, it is clear that the introduction of the integrated accounting system would greatly enhance the accuracy and efficiency of financial processes, reducing audit errors and speeding up the accounting process. The current system has the capacity to support the new module without significant additional costs for infrastructure, making it a viable investment for the company. However, successful implementation will require considerable time and collaboration across departments. The proposed integrated accounting system project consists of three core modules, along with the standard security and backup features: chart of accounts monitoring, general ledger management, and reports generation. This block diagram presents a high level functional overview of the system project to be developed. The system will be built using the same technologies, constraints, and environment as the UPPF portal. It will also need to access member data, including loan transactions, equity history, statement of account, membership date, and other related information. Additionally, the system will require access to employee data, such as payroll and salary details. This table outlines the roles and responsibilities of key stakeholders in developing UPPF's integrated accounting system. Each stakeholder, from executive leadership to end users, plays a crucial role in the successful completion of this project. The prioritization process begins with identifying key milestones and allocating resources to each phase according to its urgency and importance. Activities that are foundational to the system's development, such as defining requirements, analyzing current processes, and designing the system's architecture, will take precedence over non critical tasks. A hybrid approach is well suited for developing the integrated accounting system, starting with a comprehensive planning and requirements gathering, followed by an iterative implementation process to check progress and integrate feedback effectively. In this approach, the waterfall model will guide the initial process, while Scrum, an agile framework, will be adopted during the system implementation phase to facilitate flexibility, continuous improvement, and stakeholder collaboration. The data flow diagram of the integrated accounting system features two users, the head of accounting and the accounting associate. It highlights three major processes, which include entering new accounts, recording journal entries, and generating reports. The data is stored in the chart of accounts and journal entry data stores. Additionally, the UPPF portal provides a list and details of all members and employees, which are incorporated as attributes in the journal entries. The entity relationship diagram of the integrated accounting system features four entities: the accounting charts, accounting journal, journal attachments, and the journal entries. In the data flow diagram, you can see that the UPPF portal supplies data of members and employees. Rather than their IDs, the name of employee or member is stored as text in the journal entry as it only serves as a descriptive field. We don't need to associate journal entries with specific members or employees at this time, which is why the data is not stored as foreign keys. The use case diagram represents the key functionality of the integrated accounting system for UPPF and the interactions of the users involved. There are three main users in the system: accounting associate, head of accounting, and the fund accountant. The fund accountant approves transactions via email, which is connected to the API of the portal, and does not have an account in the system, as they serve only as a consultant. The deployment diagram shows the current architecture of the portal, where the integrated accounting system will be deployed. The UPPF portal is a web based information system, so the UI UX of the integrated accounting system should align with the existing portal interface. Here, we have a sample prototype for the chart of accounts module. At a glance, accountants should be able to view all accounts of the company. Each account includes an edit button, along with options for adding new accounts and exporting data. For the journal entry, the table should display the entered date, the user who made the entry, and the status indicating whether it has been approved by the head of accounting and the fund accountant. The trial balance report should allow filtering by start and end dates, with each account having corresponding debit and credit columns. Users should be able to verify if the debit and credit columns are balanced. On the other hand, the balance sheet report should only be filterable by the end date. Each account should have a single amount column displaying the total from the beginning of the record up to the selected date. On this page, the assets must equal equity minus liabilities. The Gantt chart shows the 110-day plan to successfully complete the proposed integrated accounting system project. It is divided into three major phases: the system and planning phase, the system design phase, and the system implementation phase. Under the system and planning and analysis, the stakeholders shall be able to define strategic objectives, review system requirements, analyze the current accounting process, define user roles, and create models for the proposed system. Under the system design phase, the stakeholders shall be able to design system architecture and database, design user interface, and review and approve the design. And finally, during the implementation phase, the stakeholders shall develop the system modules, conduct internal testing, perform UAT or user acceptance testing, finalize system deployment, go live, and conduct post implementation support. The integrated accounting system will leverage the same set of tools, frameworks, security features, and programming languages utilized in the development of the portal to ensure consistency and compatibility. This approach minimizes the learning curve for developers while enabling seamless integration between the two systems. The accounting system will be deployed on the same server infrastructure as the UPPF portal, adhering to existing server and security configurations and performance benchmarks. Additionally, it will operate within the same database environment, leveraging shared schema designs and configurations to facilitate efficient data management. By maintaining a unified technological ecosystem, the implementation will streamline development, reduce maintenance complexities, and ensure a cohesive user interface across the platform. And finally, here are my recommendations to fully utilize the integrated accounting system. So the future plan includes number one, generate more accounting reports such as the cash flow statement. Number two, use data analytics tools. Number three, create an accounting dashboard. And finally, connect the accounting system to payroll, members' equity, and employees' equity. So that's all for this presentation. Thank you very much. And here are the tools and references used.